Hi there, welcome to the add-ons. In today's video, I will show you how to turn a normal Elementor form into a modern conversational form. The kind of form that looks and feels like a chat conversation. You find the form more engaging and interactive. Let's get started. Before you begin, make sure you have installed and activated the plugin. Step 1. Open your existing form. I've already created a simple feedback form. It has a few basic fields like name, email, rating, and suggestions, just a standard form for collecting feedback. Now we're going to make this form conversational step by step. In the left panel, scroll down until you find a action after submit section. Click plus icon to add conversational form action. This section lets you control how your form will look and behave when it's displayed as a conversation. The first field is Conversational Form Title. Our enter will load your feedback. Next, the message. This is the welcome message that appears at the start. Then the button text. I will change it to "Let's go." Below that, we can fully customize the colors for the background, text, footer background, and footer text, and the button to match our brand style. Now let's see how it looks on the front end. You will see the conversational interface appear with our title, welcome message, and a star button. The user clicks "Let's go." The form begins asking questions one by one, just like a chat conversation. As you answer each question, press enter button and it automatically moves to the next one, creating a smooth experience. There's also a progress bar at the bottom so users can see how far along they are. You can click these arrow buttons to go to the next question or go back to the previous question. And that's it. You've just turned a regular Elementor form into a conversational experience. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.